Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I was looking for the perfect dresser for my daughter's room, and I found it here with SINROM. This is their 6-drawer dresser, and I got it in the color white because, as you can see, her room is mainly pink and white, and this fit in perfectly. It has a really classic design, nothing too fancy that will clash with other types of decor, and these little knobs are really nice and well made. It comes with 2 per drawer, so a total of 12. These drawers are really the perfect size. They can fit clothes very comfortably, and my favorite thing is, look how smooth they slide in and out. They are on metal tracks, so these are very well made. Overall, it is a great dresser for the price. You are gonna have to put it together, but I was so happy to find exactly what I was looking for and have it come directly to my house. So if you're looking for a small dresser that will comfortably hold a lot and blend in seamlessly with your decor, get this one from SINROM. But that's my point of view.